Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube series on Sketchup in the software playlist. This tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take a DWG AutoCAD drawing and import it into Sketchup. Pretty easy process, pretty fast process. So let's go ahead and get started on that. I'm going to minimize this one right here. Just minimize the SketchUp. Whoops, right here, minimize. I'm going to take this AutoCAD drawing, just a basic wall plan from AutoCAD. This is version 2013 LT, but this will work in all versions of AutoCAD. You see right here, I'm going to save it as, down here on the bottom, I'm just going to call this 5420. And it's under this folder name right here, so I'm just going to click save, and we're going to replace the one I already have. Okay, I'm going to come back over here to SketchUp and make this screen bigger. They're going to have to follow along my little yellow ball here. Let's take this girl and bring her back later. We don't need her right now. She's going to go on a lunch break. So let's go in, let's just delete her. Okay, we're going to import that 5420 floor plan. So we're going to come up here to the File, left click, scroll down to Import. Okay, I'm bringing up my folder where I saved that drawing. It's right here. Left click, Import. Okay, this little window will come up here. We'll just X out of this. There we go. Easy enough. Easy enough. Now I'm going to do that again. No, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy this. So I'm going to highlight everything. Come over here. Control C. Oh, copy this and move it down right here. I'm going to show you why I did that in just a second here. Okay, when you import your AutoCAD file, everything is one unit or one grouping. This is going to be one grouping also. There we go. So on this one, we're going to ungroup it. So we're just going to left click, right click, scroll down to explode, hit the explode, hit enter, and we want to escape from all that. Now you can see how everything coming up as a different entity. Okay, to do the walls, there are two different ways you can do this. My favorite way, just come over here to the rectangle tool, just taking this point as an example, and we're just going to left click and draw a rectangle tool. There we go. Do that again. Very easy process. You can do it that way. Or sometimes you can even come up here and just do a line drawing. There we go. That one filled in. Just whichever way you prefer. There we go. Okay. This one, let's try this line on this one. That one went solid. That one went solid. Back to the rectangle tool. Just whichever method you prefer. It doesn't really matter. Okay. Now, remember this was a ungrouped. This one is still grouped all together. So we're just going to go over here and get this, the line tool, just make one single line right there, draw that, do that again, and come all the way down to the end, see what happens. There we go. Now let's take the rectangle tool. Come down here, draw a rectangle. There we go. There we go. Going to keep on doing this a few more times. Now the reason why this one is different is once you get done drawing all this, I'm just going to go along the edge right here and get all this outside edge done right here. Do this last one right here. Okay, one more over here on this side. Left click that start point. Come over here. There we go. You can see if you left click in here. Whoops. Yeah, everything is still one grouping. So the first grouping, the main one, we can just take that in. Whoops, let me do that again. Let me highlight this again. Come down here. We're going to move that out of the way. There we go. That would be the advantages of doing it this way. Over here, you'd have to do this number. Move. We're going to move this over. You see what happens with that? Makes a big difference. Okay. But whichever way you prefer to do that, this is the basic way of how to import a DWG file into a SketchUp. Let me show you one more thing here. Watch this. Come over to my push-pull. Take that up 8 feet. Double click and it matches the previous command. Anyway, pretty quick tutorial on importing a DWG into a SketchUp file. Pretty easy process. Now I'm almost 100% confident that this will only work in SketchUp Pro. You cannot do this in the free version of SketchUp. So if you got any questions or concerns, shoot me an email, leave a comment in the section below. I appreciate you watching.